That's an old Winnebago. Okay guys, we're in this mobile home travel trailer. There's the front of it. Yeah, just meet me out there. There's the sink, guys, real quick. The beds. It looks much bigger than what it is. You can tell we're in the junkyard. There's the water tank. Wow, that's pretty big. That could probably be salvaged, guys. Little bathroom and stuff here. The toilet could be salvaged. Probably some of these beds as well. The oven, guys, if you want to grab that oven up. There's a little microwave. But I thought there would be a refrigerator. Let's see what's here. Here's the refrigerator, guys. It's kind of dirty, but that's a good refrigerator. Alright guys, let's move on.
I feel like it was going like this, sideways, like it was going to tilt over. Like it was gonna...
Yellowstone, a nice little trailer here as well. Yellowstone, little travel trailer here. It's kind of beat up, needs new floors. Probably needs to be redone. It's got a furnace down there. That's something that's salvageable right there. You got a little three-way stove. That's salvageable. You got a refrigerator. Runs on DC. Little sink system. Man, if you were gonna... You gotta watch out for wasps, guys. If you were gonna build a little trailer or a van, do the van life, I mean, you got a double sink right there. You got a stove. Runs on propane. You got a heater. You got a refrigerator. Skylight. And some cabinetry as well. Kitchen table. Not bad. There's probably a toilet in here, but the floors are really bad, guys. Anyway. Oh, should just jumped out. Somebody's smoking a cigar. I can smell it. There we go. Got some jumper cables there. I always wanted to try one of these, but we gotta watch. More jumper cables down there. Alright, let's get out of here. It didn't work out too good.